I'm off to my house. I actually haven't been here now in about a month, but snowmobile track's still all crazy. Today is March 15th, and a lot of people still snowmobiling. I passed about 5 of them already. It's about +1 outside, so it's pretty decent. Proxy is beside me just panting like crazy, but I'm not going to show her on this hill until I pass the hill. I mean, you know, a little sketchy hill. Someone comes around the corner, you got to be able to move over and slow down pretty quickly. There she is. She's getting pretty big, so she takes up a little bit of space now. But I got a buddy coming out here, and not too sure what's going to happen this weekend, but I'm hoping to be able to pull out the quads. Now, all the snowmobile trails are officially technically closed, as in not groomed, not maintained. No snowmobiles should be on them anymore unless they take a chance of going on a slushy trail and destroying it. Oh, there goes some deer. That's not going to show up on the camera, but a deer just ran in there. But roads are freaking awesome out here. Nicely plowed. Of course, no ice anymore anywhere. But I haven't been to my house again in about a month, so I'll have to see if the grader left me a nice surprise in front of my house. Hard to say yet. They used to plow in front of it, but we'll see. My alarm system and everything has been offline all for a month since the blizzard we had. So hopefully when I get there, the power is on in my house and hasn't been off for some stupid reason. Because I got no connectivity to anything in my house right now. But I'll see. I'm guessing just the modem went offline or shorted out or something. Not too big of a deal. Oh yeah, it's just a little bit of snow here. Yep. Well, I guess I'm walking in. Yeah, I could have parked on the street. But if that chain wasn't there, I would have been fine. But no big deal. Take out the snowblower, shovel it out, and drive it in. Kind of figured it was going to be like this. Yeah, she's hung up actually pretty damn good. Right on the diff. Well, I did have a shovel. I was going to shovel my way in. But I'm like, screw it. No, if I get stuck, I can shovel it out after. Oh, that was deep there, Proxy. And that was going to be pretty good here. Yeah, now it's not deep. I just told my friend to park her Jeep on the front road. Ooh, dog run has a lot. Well, good news is I see a light on. So that means power's working good. See a couple deer tracks. Ooh. Ooh, it's icier as frig here. Whoa! Don't pull. Look at that, the deer never came for the damn food. What a waste. You want to take a pee, Proxy? Oh. Hey! Hey! You can't eat the deer food. That's old dirty crunchy stuff. Come on, Poodle. Come on. Oh, it's gonna be a fun day. Yeah. The tarp for my quad's gone. Interesting. That was kind of fun. Now I gotta dig it out from underneath. It's hung up good. Yeah, I'm just wearing a t-shirt because it's freaking warm out here. Good thing I got my shovel. I could use those as traction mats upside down. I know those would work awesome. I got a bunch of free mats, but nah, I like doing it the hard way. Okay, go hide inside. Holy Proxy, settle down a little bit.
Oh, baby. Come here. Come here.
You look okay.
Oh, baby. She needs her nails cut.
Oh, I know. Hey, hey, it's okay. It's okay. Hurts.
I know, I'm so sorry. I know.
And she's like, hey, wait, where's the other one?
I think you missed me.
I think they missed each other. Yeah, sure. I turn on camera right as they start tiring out.
She doesn't like you being in there.
You gonna run from me? You run like hell? Oh, you're too tired to run, aren't you? Did I poop you out a little? Yeah. What, Proxy? You don't want to play anymore? What about you, Angel? You're afraid? You don't want to play? Am I in your pen? Arr. Arr. Yeah. You're all tired? You don't want to play? You're pooped, aren't you? Or are you just upset that I trimmed your butt fluff? Holy, are you draining?
Yeah.
It's bubbling like hell, so I'm guessing the vent's stuck on the roof. Oh, it's backing up into the bathtub. Yeah, the bathtub just backed up everything you drained. I'm videotaping just to show my dad.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Well, looks like I'm cutting it a little bit short. Well, I guess today is Sunday, but Septic's frozen. Literally, I went to it. Of course, you know what happens. Well, maybe you don't, but stuff starts backing up. So I went and checked the tank, and sure enough, it's not even close to being full, which it has been exactly pretty much a year to this date. Well, March 12th is the last time it was pumped, and it's still about 1.5 feet left, but it's frozen. So yes, stuff still runs in the taps. I could still do stuff, but I mean, very slowly. So I chipped through the ice in the tank to see how deep it was. I gave up after about 4 to 6 inches. Have to just, you know, let it thaw, but garbage. Gotta get rid of that. Starting to get warm. Laundry, dog, you know, gotta start going through this stuff. And so, I don't know. Maybe I'll let it warm up a little bit. I'm thinking I'll take my loader before I leave right now and go make a trail and scoop the snow off the top, and or maybe just a snow blower. I don't know. And see if I can loosen some of the sand off so the sun could de-thaw the ground a little bit sooner. Otherwise, it'd probably be a month. But again, I'm not too worried about that. Water still works. That's the main thing. Right, Pooch? Proxy inside squealing, but you can see it's starting to melt here nicely. Proxy wants to go. Just loading up my truck, getting ready to go. You can see the quad is drifted in there pretty good. Snow took off, or wind took off the cover, but the tractor's buried up to the top of the seat at the back. Big snow drift. But other than that, what the hell? What is that? Oh, must be dog food. I dumped that there. It was just covered in snow, so I didn't see it earlier. I left that in case the deers were hungry. Maybe they would eat it. I don't know. I guess they wouldn't. But Septic's all unburied there. And I decided I'm not going to do anything with it right now. I'll come back next week. Fun, fun, fun. Today's Sunday. I'll be back probably Monday night. Not too sure yet. But yeah, it's kind of interesting. Everything so far has froze on this house, but this year water is taken care of. But the septic, I knew I should have covered it with straw or something. I just never had time. Not too worried about it right now. The dog's been digging in there. Okay. And here's another flock of 3 down on the side of the road here. One's going in for the cross. 2's going in for the cross. And a little wee guy at the end is going in for the cross at the end. Yeah, that makes over 10 of them I seen on the way out of here. Yeah, not including you. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. Every year with warm weather, you start seeing more and more of them. So last year around this time, we've seen 101 day. Yeah, you know what I mean. Seen 101 days. So yeah, that's quite crazy. Well, that's a little interesting. Looks like the farmer decided he didn't want his trees in his field anymore. Yeah, that's kind of weird. That's a lot of stuff to get rid of, hey? Yeah, I don't know. I think I would have just left the trees. Just on the way back here, and thought I'd show that. That's what it used to look like. Rows of trees like those guys in the background there. Huh. Seems like a lot more work than I'd want to do. Trees are kind of hard to find around here. You want to eat anything? Oh, you're just going to dig in it? You don't want to eat it? Even with liquid kibble, she's been a pain in the butt today. I don't even know if I'm going to bother with that couch. It's pretty dirty to bring it to my house. Now I got this barbecue here, which needs a cleaning. But, yeah, it works. My dad tested it. It's a pretty big one. That's one my dad been using there, so it's a lot smaller. But it works. I also got to bring that 5,000 watt generator. I got to bring these shelves here, this shelf here, those chairs. I don't really need the chairs. The shelves there for the other shelving. There's another one of these brown shelves here. Tactical vest, air pump, and I really doubt it, but I got that toaster oven. It needs cleaning big time. Tassimo coffee machine, and a few other things that I got to bring to my house that my dad wants out of here ASAP. Because he's running out of room, so yeah, I don't really know what else I'm going to bother bringing out, but according to my dad, he wants it gone this weekend, or that barbecue, he already found someone else that wants it. Meow. Yeah, you being a good poodle? Nothing exciting out there. Nothing exciting out there besides two brand new houses going up, which are going to be pretty tall because I could see them from way over there. Is that why you're watching, Proxy? And yeah, it's not freezing, but it's snowing. Melting when it hits the ground. Right there. Oh, here's a good one. Keep you guys. Whoa! Do you see what's happening in the background there? And of course, the way the cameras are edited or pointed, there is a blind spot in the center here, but that's because we want to see both sides of the sidewalk here. But yeah, that's a pretty interesting one. That just happened yesterday. But yeah, that is pretty interesting. And no idea yet if anyone got hurt or anything, but yeah. And you can see someone in the background there running like crazy down the street, so I'm not sure what's up with that.